वेलकम टू स्वादिश फ्रॉम प्रिया। आज हम लोग को चॉकलेटी बनाते हैं, दैट टू क्विकली विद इन 5 to 6 minutes. So today we will make chocolate cake in 6 minutes. 6 minute chocolate cake बनाने के लिए we need 1 cup of मैदा flour, powder sugar 3 to 4 spoon as per your taste, chocolate powder 3.5 tablespoon, अमूल बटर 100 ग्राम, बेकिंग पाउडर, बेकिंग सोडा, अमूल मिठाई मेड, वनीला एसेंस, हाफ लेमन, 200 ml of water and dark chocolate. So in order to first start making 6 minute chocolate cake, we will take all the dry ingredients in a bowl. We will take 1 cup of maida, three full tablespoon of powder sugar. I'll take little more. I'll take 3.5. You can take 4 also if someone like more sweet. If someone like less sweet, they can take 3 tablespoon also. Now we will take chocolate cocoa powder, 1 spoon, 2 spoon, 3 spoon and 3.5. Now we will take baking powder. We will take 1 teaspoon baking powder, full teaspoon, and we will take half teaspoon of baking soda. This is half teaspoon of baking soda. Now we will put amul butter and mithai made. We have put butter, 100 gram of amul butter. Now we will mix amul mithai made, 200 gram. Fully we will pour into the ingredient and we will mix this slowly. Keep in mind that butter should be always on room temperature, then it will not form any kind of lumps, so it will get mixed very nicely. Once we mix this dry and semi dry ingredient, then we will put liquid ingredient. We have to mix this like this nicely so that lumps should not get formed. This is how it will become after mixing the butter and mithai made. Now we will mix water into this. We have to take 200 ml of water, mix little bit of water and then mix it so that lumps will not get formed. Slowly keep mixing the water. Vanilla essence and lemon we will put in the last. Lemon is completely optional. If you don't want to put, you don't put. If you want to put, you can put. It's completely optional. Slowly mix the water. Now this water has mixed. This is the juice of half a lemon. We will put into the batter and mix it. This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We will put this into batter and we will mix it well. Now we have mixed the vanilla essence. Now we will bake this cake in microwave mode. So we have to transfer this batter into a base which is microwave oven proof. So this is the glass bowl which I have taken and I have greased it well. And now I will transfer this batter into this bowl. Now I have transferred the batter into a microwave proof bowl, glass bowl. So we will put into microwave oven. Make sure that the batter should not be more than 50% of the height of the bowl. Otherwise it will come out. So now we will put this bowl into microwave oven. Let's put it into the oven. This is my microwave oven. We have to put into the microwave mode for 6 minutes, and we will put this into the microwave oven. See, we have started this and it will be done in 6 minutes. Till the time our cake is getting baked, we will prepare the chocolate ganache for making the icing. In this cake we can use any kind of chocolates. It could dark chocolate, semi-dark, dairy milk, or any kind of chocolatey flavored chocolate. So these are certain chocolates which I am having. You can use the chocolates which has certain nuts and crackers, that will give even better taste. Whatever chocolate is available at your home, you can use that chocolate. So we will take this chocolate and little bit of milk and we will make a chocolate ganache out of this. We will put little bit of milk. It is like 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, and we have to microwave it for 40 to 60 seconds. Don't do in a one go, do in tranches, 20 second and 20 second, and if required then further 20 second. If you put it in a one shot, then it may get burnt. So don't do in a one shot, do it in parts. See, this is how the cake will come after baking into the microwave mode for 6 minutes. And this is what I have melted the chocolate. I have used a crackle chocolate with lots of dry fruits and nuts and crackers. Now I will pour this on this cake. The only thing is that this cake you cannot demold. You have to just freeze it like this and cut it directly. You cannot demold this cake. But the beauty of the cake is that it gets ready in 10 minutes without much hassles and with all the easily ingredients available at home. See, this chocolate layer I have put it. Try to give a thick layer of chocolate so that it will taste very nice. Now I will put some white choco chips for garnishing on the sides of the cake. Just like this you can put. You can use crushed gems also, you can use chocolate curls also, you can use silver balls also. Whatever way you want to decorate it, you can do it. See, this way we can do the decoration. Now we have to put this into freezer for half an hour to 45 minutes so that this chocolate gets set. After that we can cut it and take it out and serve it. So let's put this into freeze for 45 minutes. So देखा आपने, it is how easy to make chocolate cake within 5 to 6 minutes, and you can make your kids very happy. Any guest at home, you can make this very quickly with very easily available ingredients at the home. So आपको अगर ये रेसिपी अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें, डू कमेंट. थैंक यू.